Today Marco Martin is cooking wild mushroom risotto from the Barefoot Contessa. So what have you done so far?
The first thing I did was melt 4 tablespoons of butter, added pancetta and a small onion. Normally you would use shallots, but I didn't have any shallots, so I used a small onion.
Okay.
And I sauteed that for 5 to 7 minutes, and then I added sliced cremini mushrooms, and then sauteing those, as you can see. And they've been cooking for about 5 minutes, and I think I'm going to let them cook a little bit more. And then I'll add half a cup of white wine. Oh no, before I do that, I'll add the 2 cups of arborio rice that you poured for me over there.
You have the box there.
Yes. This is a very, I've never seen this, but this is a very fancy Italian brand that I saw at Dace.
It looked very, very wonderful.
Yes. I don't know if I've tried it though, but let's see. Oh, I'm sure it will be good.
So now you added the rice.
I most certainly did. And now...
How many cups?
2 cups.
2 cups.
Barefoot Contessa says a cup and a half, but I don't think that's enough.
For 2 people?
So 2 cups. And now I'm just coating the arborio rice.
Meanwhile, you have the...
Yes. The chicken stock is heating.
The chicken stock is heating.
Yes.
And now you're browning
the arborio rice for a couple of minutes. I think I'll do it for another minute. And while that's... You're finding that, pardon me, sir. Get my measure.
And now?
I have half a cup of white wine here. And let's give this one more stir. It's looking quite nice, I think. And now we'll add white wine to the glaze.
I think we should dedicate this first video guest to who?
Well, Katie's a big...
yes, to Katie.
Yeah, because she's the big risotto fan. And she's always making risotto, so yes. So I'm making this mushroom risotto in her honor. So now...
So now you're adding Parmesan?
Yes.
Parmesan Reggiano?
Yes. Just a little.
So you add it at the end?
I do. And then...
Before eating?
But not too much.
Before eating?
1/4 cup. That's it. And then, of course, each person will add their own.
Extra?
Yes. To their portion.
So it has cooked for how long right now?
It's been 25 minutes. Usually it takes 25-30 minutes.
So now the risotto is finished. Let's see. Looks beautiful. And you finish it off with extra Parmesan cheese?
Of course.
Drinking it with red wine?
Yes, a Pinot Noir from California.
Soberan Pinot Noir from California.
Yes.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Thank you for joining us.